Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasheena. In today's video, as you can see, I will be doing an easy way of peeling my pineapples. If you're interested in this video, continue watching. Remember, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. I didn't always peel the pineapple like this. However, I saw I think a video or something like that. And I'm like, why not try it? So here I was actually trying this method for the very first time, and it proves to be quite easier than the normal way that I would use. So I decided, why not share it? Let me know if this was actually how you peel the pineapple from the get-go, but it wasn't for me. So I'll know be peeling my pineapple just like this going forward. So what I did differently, as you could see, I actually peeled it in a vertical direction, meaning along the length of the pineapple going down. I never normally did that. And then afterwards, I split it in half, and then I started to peel the smaller parts that are more rooted in the pineapples. Now, I'm a person, I'm going to use everything, and especially now where things are a little pricey, I'm going to maximize. So, my skin of my pineapple won't be going to waste. So, you can stay tuned for that video. So, yes, nothing will go to waste. This is actually one of my favorite fruit as well. Pineapple contains a lot of vitamin C, magnesium, fiber, B vitamin, and mineral that the body needs. This fruit promotes tissue healing, fights inflammation, aids in your digestion, and it relieves arthritis pain. It may help with weight loss as well, and it helps with post-workout recovery. Trust me, there are so many studies and so many benefits for consuming pineapples. So you want to take a look at this fruit. It's a pretty nice fruit. It is sweet and tropical as well. There are so many things that you can do with it. There you have it. My peelings are packaged to go in the freezer as well for a later day when I will make juice. Now I'm cutting up my pineapples, and I typically store them in the freezer as well. So I place them in these bags as my storage bags. Now, if you're in a warm weather or tropical weather, this is nice on a very sunny and hot day. Take it out the freezer and enjoy it. So I'll typically get 2 bags out of the pineapple, and I'll place them in the freezer like I mentioned, along with the peeling. You can let me know if this is your preferred way of storing them, or do you prefer to just keep them in the fridge? Leave a comment. Now guys, if you like videos like these, continue to watch, like the video, share the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and of course stay tuned for more videos like these. Bye.